Hello everyone. A few days back I came across one interesting website which says, did you know that you can send an email to an Ethereum address? And obviously I got interested in to know how can this be achieved. So I went to this website as directed here, and I came across this how to send an email to an Ethereum address, and this video post, this is just few minutes, will let you know, make you aware of how can this be achieved. So thanks to Rohas. So now I'll just go to the website web.ethmail.cc, and while we go here, we also need to do one thing, that we have to download one plugin which is known as MetaMask. So we'll go here, we'll download this. I'm using a Chrome browser and installing MetaMask. Now MetaMask is a wallet, and whatever this thing is being made possible, that Ethereum address, mail to Ethereum address, this means basically that any software that represents or implements the OpenID Connect authentication mechanism will be able to use this Cryptoverse login. So what we do is, basically we are logging into a third-party app which we are making use of Cryptoverse login, and basically it is the identity provider. So instead of a Gmail or a Yahoo login, here you have identity as a Ethereum address. So we are about to add this, and we'll create a Ethereum address for us. So add extension, very simple. So it takes few seconds here, and I say yes, and it comes over here, get started. Now I don't have any other account, so I'll create a wallet, and I give some password here, and I log in, create. I'll skip the basic mundane things for right now, that securing the wallet, etc. Click here to reveal the secret words, etc. But in case you are doing it for the first time, I recommend that you do it and make it a habit that you save your secret passwords. But this is just for a trial. Okay, now I'll close this. So I have this wallet which is showing that this account is holding, this is the Ethereum address, and this is the account that I'm currently holding, and I don't have anything to buy, send, but I want to send an email from this account. So what this happens is, so I'll close this meanwhile. So how this happens is, I go here, that web.ethmail.cc, I get this interface. I click on Ethereum wallet, and so it is still to detect wallet. So don't know why is it not detecting. I'll just try it again. Yeah, okay. Maybe this detects this time. Yeah, it has detected this time. So I'll click MetaMask, and now the moment I click MetaMask, it gets activated and connect with MetaMask. The MetaMask wallet gets the notification from the website that this third-party website is asking for authentication. I authenticate yes. View the address of their permitted accounts required. Okay, so I have this account, I connect. So this is the account, I select, and this gets activated again. I sign it. So this is my address. This will be automatically detected by this interface. So Roundcube webmail, now that I've got this interface. Now just the point of interest is that this is my email address, 0xfsg. This is my email Ethereum address, which is visible here, 0xfd98, and here 0xfd98. So this is the same Ethereum address that I have just opened in the MetaMask account, and I connected it here. Now I have to simply compose it like just another email. So I'll just mail something to myself. So this is, yeah, from this. So this is my Ethereum address, and this is the extended part, @ethmail.cc. So I'm sending something to my email address. Hello test mail, and that's it. So now I send this at anupam@pm.me, and I keep a check. Now this is still being sent, it will take few seconds. Meanwhile I'll go to my email inbox. Now this is sent successfully. I'll go to my email inbox, and so here I'm awaiting. Yeah, so this I have received instantly, and this is test mail, and I've got this from address here. So now I'll also do one thing, that I'll mail something that I have received the mail. Thanks for the mail. and ACK. I acknowledge it and I send it again to this address. So I should be getting it there. So while a few seconds await us, we'll just see how much time it takes. So now there is nothing decentralized about this email. While we are using the terminology of MetaMask, wallet, Ethereum, address, etc., but there is nothing decentralized about this email. So email is just an identity. The email Ethereum address is just an identity. Otherwise, it is just a third-party thing. So ethmail.cc is the third party which will be storing all our messages, whatever we send, just like Gmail or Yahoo, etc. So awaiting still. Yeah, I think no. Yeah, no. So now it has come, Anupam, and I get it here. Thanks for the email. Acknowledge. So this was just a small video to show how the Ethereum addresses can be used with the help of MetaMask wallet, and this MetaMask wallet is just another option. Otherwise, you are free to use any option. So thanks for watching. Email to Ethereum address. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe in case you liked the video. Thanks.